Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Warm good morning to everyone. Hope you all are well. We already started the lesson for MS Paint start and close. So main things it in this chapter, how we will start the paint and how we will close. So I requested already to read the lesson. I hope everyone read it. So we will start now. Just I will give the little bit explanation to you. We will start the learning object. After reading this chapter, you will be able to start the paint program on your computer. Start the paint program by using the keyboard. Identify components of the paint window. Close the paint program. Childrens, you know very well about the paint, but just because of this chapter, because I think you did the practically, you draw some pictures in like circle, triangle, square and some typing. So main process for the paint, we should control the arrow. Okay, children, you all are love to do drawing and coloring. You can also draw and color pictures on your computer by using a program called Paint. Whenever you switch on your computer, the first screen that appears is desktop and it has a button. You know, it has button left side. Whenever you click it, so it is the process of starting paint. How you will start the paint? Let's see. To start paint, follow the given steps. Click on start button on Windows desktop. A menu screen of option appear. Mini screen options is appear. Then second one, click on all program options from the list. A new list appear on the screen. Whenever you click the start button, the all program will appear. Then after that, click on accessories. From the list, a new drop down list of options appear. Then fourth one, close paint. Choose paint from the list. Click on it to open the program. The paint screen appear on your monitor. This is called paint windows. First what you will do, click the button start, then whatever it will come, all program, just click the all program, then appear accessories, then you click the accessories, the paint, choose the many options are there also, and paint is there, so you just choose the paint window. I think you understand how you will open. See, here is given the buttons and this is whatever, how you will open this. You have box, you can see, otherwise you can see here the name of this paint like this. Whenever the process is finished here, then the paint window open. Okay, so here is the ribbon, okay, home tab, and this is are the working area and drawing area, verticals and horizontal scroll bar. Here is the vertical and here is the horizontal one. This is the ribbon, okay, and here is the color, here is the shape tools, so you can use that and whatever you want to draw. Okay dear all, and please read again and again. Here is the note here. You can also use the keyboard to start paint. Follow the steps given below. Press the symbol of the button key, Windows key on the keyboard. Use the cursor control key to go to the all program. Press enter key. Means another option is there with the keyboard you will open it. How it is given? Okay, press cursor control key to go to accessories. See, the symbols are there here, so you will use that symbols also. Use this symbol, cursor control key, select paint, press enter to open it. See, the same method is there here. It's showing the see, this is the window key, this is the control key. Okay, now come to the down, the paint window. The paint windows consist of the following component. Where component? Check here. This is the title bar. The horizontal bar at the top of the paint window is called title bar. See, it was there, title bar. This is the title bar. Okay, so it is divided in the three. It tells you the name of the program. It has 3 buttons as shown in the figure. See, here is the minimize, here is the close and restart. This is consists in the 3 programs. Name of the programs 3. Okay, come to now down. You can see this also easily. Ribbon. You know ribbon. Every time you are using this what? Ribbon. Okay, for the work. So you can see the ribbon. You can see this ribbon. Ribbon consists several tabs and groups. Each group consists different components. Home and views are 2 types. Okay, see here is the paint. Okay, then here tool group, here shape group, and here is the color. This is called ribbon. Ribbon consists several tools and groups. Several tools and groups like paint. It is the symbol of paint. Here is the tools, whatever you use for drawing, and here's the shapes, which shapes you want, triangle, square, star, whatever. And here is the lines are there also. Okay, size is there, lines, big, small, thick, thin. Here is the many colors are there, color groups. Okay, so now in the between, I don't want the lengthy because it will not accept if it is lengthy lecture is there. So here is the new words. So please write in your copy, note down it in your copy. And here is the 3 question answers I am giving. Then I will continue this one. Okay, then I will continue this lesson, and 2 more questions are there, so that one also. So this is the first. Then again I am giving other one. Okay, I will continue.
Mommy.